Hello, everyone, and welcome to Extra Life 2021.
Yes, COVID edition 2 once again.
Sixth year doing this, second year during a pandemic.
Yay!
For those of you that are unfamiliar, Extra Life is a charity program that brings thousands of gamers together to help raise funds for the Children's Miracle Network Hospital. Jonathan and I have been participating in this for 6 years now, and every year we streamed ourselves playing games for 24 hours straight in hopes to raise money for the Edmonton Stollery Children's Hospital.
We started doing this back in 2016 as a way of supporting our mom who was going through breast cancer at the time. Thankfully, she's fully recovered since then, but this has turned into a bit of a fun tradition for us that helps thousands of kids in need of medical care, so we decided to keep on doing it. Since we started doing Extra Life, you've helped us raise over $4,000 for the Edmonton Stollery Children's Hospital, and we hope that you continue to do so. We very much appreciate it. On November 13th, 2021 at 11 a.m. Mountain Time, we will be starting our 24-hour live stream on Twitch, where we will be playing an abundance of Nintendo Switch games.
Here's a montage of the games that we'll be playing. Mario Golf,
Mario Party Superstars,
NES Library,
SNES Library,
N64 Library,
Nintendo Dread, Metroid Dread,
Tetris 99. You can catch our joint stream at twitch.tv/MattyDude96.
or twitch.tv/John the Schreiner.
If you're interested in donating, feel free to check out the link to the Extra Life donation page. That'll be somewhere on whichever social media that you're viewing this video on.
Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you on November 13th at 11 a.m.
Thank you, everyone, and have a good day.
Have a good one.
This is stupid.
Okay, bye.